Okay, so what are we starting up with? We are starting up with sentences. Now, we all understand the word, the meaning of this word sentences. For the knowledge of all, let me explain it clearly to all of you, right? So, what do we mean by this word sentences? Sentence, sentence means group of words which makes complete sense. So this is a sentence in a simple meaning, in a simple language. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So for example, I say Ram has gone to the market to buy fruits. So this is a complete sentence. We all understand by this word Ram has gone to the market to buy the fruits. Second, what can be the other sentence? So I can use the word Rajesh is walking slowly. So this is another sentence. Rajesh is walking slowly. I can also say, wow, it's a rainy day. So again, it makes complete sense. So what is a sentence? In a simple meaning, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So सेंटेंस होता क्या है? सेंटेंस वो सब कुछ होता है जो एक कंप्लीट सेंस बनाता है. किसी भी लाइन की, किसी भी चीज की जब कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बनाता है, सेंस बनाता है, उसको हम सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. वन. सेकंड, what are the different kinds of sentences? What are the different kinds of sentences? So different kinds of sentences. First is assertive. What do you mean by this word assertive? Assertive sentence कौन होते हैं? Assertive sentences are simple statements. So what are assertive sentences? They are simple statements. They are known as assertive sentences. So assertive कितनी तरह के हो सकते हैं? They can be affirmative. Affirmative. What do you mean by this word affirmative? The affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means positive statement. Affirmative. So positive statement. So positive means I ask you, have you had your breakfast today? You says, yes, sir, we had. Right? So this is an affirmative sentence. Then there is a negative sentence. So negative sentence. What is negative sentence? A negative sentence means a sentence which shows negative statement. That is an affirmative, that is a negative sentence. So what are the example of a negative sentence? The example is boys are not making a noise. So when we use the word not, so what have we used? We have used affirmative, right? You have not finished your homework. Affirmative. Negative. So these are all negative. जिसमें not आ जाता है उसमें negative होता है. Affirmative, positive statement that yes, he is going to the school, he is preparing his breakfast, he has done his homework. These are all affirmatives, right? Second kind of sentences, they are interrogative. Interrogative, I think the name suggests. So, what are interrogative sentences? These are the sentences in which we ask the questions. So, these are the sentences in which we ask the questions. We call it interrogative sentences. So, what are the examples to interrogative sentence? What is your name? Where are you going? These are all examples of interrogative sentence, where in the end, what comes is the question mark, right? So we ask the questions into these. These are interrogative sentences. Then there are third type is imperative. You might have heard this imperative. So there are certain type of sentences with with which we do not mention the subject in order to express a piece of advice or giving a suggestion or requesting someone or ordering or commanding. So such type of sentences are imperative sentences, right? So what do we say? We deliver a piece of advice. We deliver a piece of advice into this. So it means you are advising someone else. That is an imperative sentence. Now, advising someone else means if you ask someone, guys, let's work hard. So you're advising someone. If you say someone, please help me. So what are you doing? You are advising someone, right? If you are saying, if you're talking about someone, sit down here. So you are kind of ordering someone. So these are all imperative kind of sentences. After imperative, it would be exclamatory. So exclamatory कौन से होते हैं? Exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory means जहां पे हम साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन शो करते हैं. सो ऐसे कौन से हैं जो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस होते हैं? Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which we show a joy, we show a surprise. Those are a kind of exclamatory sentences. So for example, we show the emotions there, right? So these are all the exclamatory kind of sentences. So these are the sentences in which we have to express the emotions. These are all exclamatory kind of sentences. Emotions such as we show joyness. What else do we express? We express sorrow. We express grief, right? So we express the regret. So these are all exclamatory sign of kind of sentences. So how do we end an exclamatory sentence? We end an exclamatory sentence by putting sign of exclamation. So we end it by putting a sign of exclamation, right? So these are exclamatory sentences, right? The last type of sentences are optative. Do we all understand optative? Optative means, what do we do sometimes? Sometimes we make use of particular type of sentences to express a wish or a prayer or curse. Such sentences are known as optative sentences, right? So optative are a kind of exclamatory sentences. They are a kind of explanatory, but not exactly explanatory ones. So if I write, so when we use a particular type of sentence to express a wish, prayer और curse. जब हम ये चीजें यूज करते हैं, we call it optative, right? So these are optative kind of sentences. So for example, would that I were rich. काश ऐसा होता कि मैं अमीर होता. May God bless you. भगवान आपको bless करे. May you live long. So these are all optative type of sentences, right? So it is clear till now what are the different types of sentences that we are holding.